I grind cause I gotta get paid. 1% chance, 99% faith. I fell in love with the hustle, I fell in love with the chase. No emotion, put in the pain. We get it no matter the weather. Sun, snow, sleet, rain. Go sleep and do it again. In this life I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors and everyone telling me no. Wait till the tables turn, we'll see who stays or goes. I don't wanna be outside, I need someone that can keep me home.
And where is this high right now?
Alright, YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. First of all, let me tell you guys good morning. Welcome back to a day in the life of Smart Money Rich, guys. Today is actually going to be a movie. I'm going to project a movie to you guys. Trust me when it comes to a day in the life of Smart Money Richie. So what are we doing today, guys? Today is FME 2026. What do I mean? Forex Millionaire Expo 2026. And this expo is the biggest Forex expo in Nigeria and in the whole of Africa. And I'll be attending this Forex expo with my mentor, my biggest boss, Habby Forex. You understand, guys? So let me tell you how today's movie, or let me say day in the life, is gonna go, guys. We will all be heading out to Habby's house, where we are all gonna gather, and after the gathering we are gonna move along with Habby to the event center at Civic Center, Victoria Island, Lagos. You understand, guys? And after this event we are all gonna fall back to Habby's house and have a nice after party. Guys, you can't wait to watch this day in the life, because what I'm bringing to you guys today is movie. So let's go, guys. Let's start the preparation and get the day started. Thank you, guys. If this is the kind of video you love, make sure you click the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, guys, and share this video. Let's go. What's good, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Rich here. If this is the first time you're watching my YouTube channel, my name is Richie. I'm a Forex trader. I'm also a Forex coach.
You know everybody been waiting on that baby, man.
Ah, nice.
How are you?
Yes.
You alright? Let's go.
Alright, guys, so today is FME Forex Millionaire Expo, and you can see the feet, guys. You can see the feet. So I'm rocking shoes from Zeus. The shoes are from Pat, my watch, Cartier. I have my Van Cleef right here. Tie also is from Zeus, right? And my top. We are ready for FME right now. What I'm about to give you guys is a movie. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, guys, so we are heading to the event right now, FME 2026. Here we come. Let's go. Keep the bass jump, keep it on jump, keep the bass jump, the bitch getting loose, she tryna win. I beat her by the house, I beat her in. We outside, bro. Follow
him so you can, the directors of assets, so you can get
All I need this morning, but I talks they foggy. All I need this morning, make go no do me doggy. All I need this morning, but I talks they foggy. All I need this morning.
Yeah, guys, I'm not here to motivate you guys. Trust me, man. This is not the time to motivate anybody. You understand? Please have a seat. Now, how many of you guys have been following Habby? If you know the year Habby Forex started trading, I'm going to give you 100K right now. What year? 2017? No. It's not all about motivation. Forget what you're saying. Forget the cars, man. The consistency is all you need. And you guys know who does it best. Habby does it best. Like, you guys can see me from Baba to a top Forex millionaire.
Professor Habby.
So just
I'm
be
big, I
consistent.
know.
Forget about the motivation. We are not here to motivate anybody. If you like, give up. If you like, continue. If you like, fail and don't stand up. We don't care about that. All we want you to do is stay consistent. Forex will definitely reward you guys. Professor.
Papa Williams, leave me alone. And so many more lives here that we keep changing. You guys see this? You see this, all this growth online. Anyone here who have been following me maybe since 2018, they were online? I started trading with Android phone. Samsung. Richie mentioned something, consistency. And that is one thing I want to talk about for everyone in this room. But before I go ahead, I would love you guys to give a round of applause to the Access Market representative that we have here. In trading, there are very downtime and there are times that you be off. Alright? But there's one common thing why all traders fail. Wow, we all repeat the same mistakes. Am I communicating with you guys? The mistake that Jeffrey has made, Kevin has made, Dax has made, they are all similar. I'll tell you guys, that marketing is required everywhere. Even churches, they do marketing. If you go outside there, you'll see churches banner. Come for service, 9 a.m. You know? So talk less of you that want to run a business. Why won't you need a marketing team? Why don't you need a marketing PR? Now let's talk about affiliate marketing itself. What is affiliate marketing? Do you even know what it is? Or you just mentioned it? Right. You're just like a middleman. Let's say it like that. Alright? What do I advise you to do? Every one of you, you have Instagram, you have WhatsApp, you have Snapchat, you have Twitter. Sell a product. It is easy. That's how you can start from nothing. You don't need capital to start. You don't really need so much to start. Alright? Sell somebody's product. Dangote is a good product. Right? Go to any Dangote warehouse, resell their product. Or refer them to a client. Get commission from it. Easy. And nowadays, you don't even need to sell physical product. Let's talk about the trading world. I mean, everybody that here today, you guys are all trading. Alright? And to be honest, when I go online sometimes, people say, Habby, you're making money from promoting a broker. You're making money from promoting a profit. Yes, I do. Then people start to criticize you. And I posted something recently. I said, reason why most of you are not living up to your potential is simply because you care what much other people will say about you. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Like I said, affiliate marketing is a very simple thing that you can start doing. Alright? I am trying to relate with you like if I was Habby, started from zero today. Alright? What I will usually do is is what? Start affiliate marketing.
So give yourselves a round of applause.
Cups in the sky, let's toast to our future greatness because we are here today celebrating with Habby.
Not me, man.
You guys
You guys are celebrating every one of you.
Yeah.
Alright, celebrate yourself.
Alright, let's toast to greatness, guys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers with anyone close to you.
More life. Inshallah.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. If you love videos like this, make sure
Subscribe.
Okay,
Subscribe.
my bro, this is my
Everywhere good.
live, guys.
Subscribe, bro.
Make sure you subscribe, you understand? Also check him out, he has his YouTube channel, Forex FX. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube
And where is
as well.
his high right now?
Yeah, bro.